Hello and welcome back to section 2. So today we're going to deal with tryptophan. So this is following on from the course we did yesterday, which was about serotonin, our happy hormone. So we said in the course yesterday that without tryptophan we won't have serotonin. It's basically that simple. So firstly, what is tryptophan? So in a sense it's an amino acid. So it's used to make proteins and serotonin. So when we eat foods rich in tryptophan, it turns into other proteins and serotonin within the gut. So tryptophan is actually the sole precursor to serotonin. It is as simple as that. Without tryptophan, we won't get serotonin, our happy hormone. So out of all the 20 amino acids in the body, tryptophan isn't one of the strongest. So it's constantly having to compete with other amino acids, which makes it difficult when it's trying to cross the blood-brain barrier. We'll recap the foods later on, but there are, as with all the other hormones we've dealt with, tryptophan has other roles and functions within the body as well. So it does act as a good antidepressant, and it boosts our memory. Tests have proven that they found that it does that. It produces what's called niacin. So I don't know if you know, but that is vitamin B3, another essential vitamin within the body. It strengthens our pain tolerance as well, and it boosts our growth hormones. Now, do you remember how important growth hormones are, especially to young people who are developing? So it gives relief from depression and anxiety, and that's through its link with serotonin, the happy hormone. So to state the obvious, if you're deficient in tryptophan, you're going to be deficient in serotonin, our happy hormone. So if you're not eating enough tryptophan in the diet, we will be deficient in serotonin, and we know what happens then. There are other certain health defects that will kick in. Things like depression, anxiety, mood swings, poor sleep quality, and our aggressive and compulsive behaviour. They can all be a result of a lack of serotonin through a lack of tryptophan. So we covered foods that are high in tryptophan earlier on, but let's just recap and make sure that we understand what they are. So generally, think of tryptophan, think of good high quality protein foods. So think of things like eggs, turkey, chicken, beef, pork. But there are others, including pumpkin seeds. Remember the old favourite pumpkin seeds, how nutritionally dense they are, and oats and brown rice. So it honestly isn't difficult. It's serotonin, the happy hormone. To get that, we need to eat foods rich in tryptophan, which we've just gone through there. So if you consume the right foods within your diet on a regular basis, your happy hormones will be happy in effect. Now, I hope that's dealt with the link between tryptophan and serotonin. We're going to move on to a further hormone after this. There's only 2 more to go in this section. I know it's a difficult section, but honestly, you will reap the benefits as you go through the course if you understand what these hormones and neurotransmitters are. So again, thanks for listening. Back to your workbooks and your assessment sheets, and I'll catch you on the next slide. Bye-bye for now.